Another day! Another desert! Time for some practice.
Report, Stormtrooper. Yes, Lord Vader. All clear.
No rebels sighted, Lord Vader.
What is this anomaly?
I should not be out here alone.
Soon, my power will be absolute.
I have a bad feeling about this.
No one can stand in my way.
What dark magic is this? It seems
Not very stable, Lord Vader.
what in the Force?
This isn't Hogwarts. What happened?
Where am I? What's that stick? What's that glowing sword?
Who are you?
Let's just talk.
Intriguing. This power, it calls to me. Who dares? Who are you to challenge? Your power is unfamiliar. Yours lacks true magical grace.
Hello? Here? Is anyone here?
It appears the children are fighting. A distraction, perhaps. Let us join the fun.
Why won't you stop? You attacked first! Expelliarmus! You won't hit me! Pathetic children. Not good. Avada Kedavra!
You are no match for the dark side.
Whoa! My helmet! Protego! What is this? Impossible! Take that! Now!
They are more capable than anticipated.
What's happening now? It's getting stronger!
This is beyond my control. Help!
We have to stop it!
Finite incantatem. If the portal collapses, we are undone. A temporary truce.
Focus all your energy! It's working! I'm going in. He's going to fall in!
It stabilizes.
We did it! Our powers are different, but strong together. Whew. That was close! Time to go home.
This alliance is temporary. Indeed.
Hopefully, I can explain this.
May the Force be with you.
Goodbye.
Interesting. I have learned much this day.